Sana po magiging kagaya po tayo ng mga believers na ito. It happened po during the rule of Emperor Nero. Ginagawa niya po yan sa mga believers. Hindi po natin naranasan yan. At nawa, hindi talaga mararanasan natin yan. And yet, sometimes kapag nasa edge na po tayo ng defeat, ng problema, mga kaibigan, instead of praising God, we blame Him. And I hope today you will remember everything that the Lord has done to you since January 1, 2024 until today. Can I ask everyone to please stand?